Are you looking for perfect design inspiration? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe and turn on notifications.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for being with us. See you in the next one.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.